Hell of a warm-up.
Yeah, it is.
That's your first lap?
Oh yeah. Oh geez, that's steep. Steep and loose.
Don't ride it that well.
That's fine, I'm sure I won't my first time either. Ready?
Yep.
I'm back at Windrock. I'm here. It's nice fall colors. The leaves are on the ground. I'm riding with Jeff and Blake. I just got out of the truck, met them on the shuttle. They'd already been riding 5-6 laps, and they'd been doing some sessioning on Trail 1. So I jumped right in. It's one heck of a warm-up lap. This is a quick little video. Hope you enjoy it.
Is this where I always mess up?
It's down here, yeah.
Ah! That's the spot I'm talking about. I committed this time, but
Did you stay high?
yeah. But that's where I have not committed high all the time.
I committed, I went high but then dropped down and almost hit the tree.
Yeah, if you drop down, you're done.
Yeah, I luckily was not going super fast.
You ride the high line?
For once. This where we're going? Y'all going on? Here, give me 2 seconds. It's a hell of a warm-up.
That's your first lap?
Oh yeah. Oh geez, that's steep. Steep and loose. Woo! Man. Man, that's puckery. That's some steep and
I
loose.
like that. There's no rocks at
Yeah,
least.
that's fun. I was like, whoo.
Hey, that's a good Windrock trainer because
Yeah.
it's next to a grip.
There you go.
See that one? You guys want to go down the new thing? Not go over the
I'm not
Red Bull
going to
drop.
hit it, but I'll go down. Yeah.
I can video it from the side if y'all want me to.
Video that's rolling around everything.
That's all I can do.
Aim over here at least. I'm gonna keep. Not appropriate right now. You didn't have to see it.
I don't think this trail's been blown off either.